All right, here we go. Eating with Luis and Stu at Orchard Barbecue Grill, right? So good. Oh, it feels really awesome in here. So this is like the German deli, but it's different.
Is it?
I don't know. Yeah, so that Freddy's was really good when you ate that. So what do you normally get when you get here?
Hey, how you guys doing today?
Pretty good. Do you guys have like a signature sandwich or something?
Probably our steak sandwich or a prime rib sandwich.
Oh, prime rib sandwich. I'm gonna get that. What are you gonna get? So many choices. Where's all these ones?
Unfortunately, we don't have enough space outside here, so we can't really outside grill anymore. I need about 5 pounds of crumbled brisket, center cut.
5 pounds of brisket? Yeah. That one's the prime rib. This is the tri-tip. I don't want to touch your bread.
We need 2 more.
Okay, so that one's yours.
We'll get them right now.
Right?
Oh, okay, cool.
And then so, I don't know.
I think this is yours.
The burger.
Open up your.
I think. Cool. Thank
You can tell by looking at it.
You can tell by the juice. So if this one has odd juice, then it's the prime rib sandwich. If this one is spicy barbecue sauce, and that's a tri-tip sandwich.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think this is tri-tip.
There you go.
Okay.
Go get some pork.
Thank you.
Thanks. All right, so why don't you try it, right? How's it good?
My turn?
Yeah.
Cool.
Thanks.
Thank you. See how this burger goes.
It's a what kind of burger? Bacon on top
Bacon
burger.
on top burger. Yep.
All right,
So-
let's go.
Mm.
Okay. All right.
No,
So,
no flavor.
prime rib burger. Yeah, it's good. How about those chili cheese fries?
Not bad. I like Freddy's better.
No. I got this one. That's fun. Thanks. All right. Go on.
No, you go first.
Oh. I didn't get any fried. There we go. All right.
Next time if we go to Freddy's and we'll just get split the 1 chili cheese fry
All right.
and maybe get onion rings.
Okay. All right. That's a pretty good meal, huh, you guys? Okay, so anyways, there you go. Me, Stu, and right there. Here, let's take the picture right here. The final picture. Where are you guys? Oh, there you are. All right, awesome. Okay.